Hey everyone, this is Dave Cooper and this is a Modular Home Minute, and today we are in Old Lyme, Connecticut, right on the Long Island Sound, which is just right down this road here. Behind me is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, 2-car garage with living space above the garage. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, this house, when it is done. So, with that said, this house has been here a couple weeks. We got power on. We got the siding going on as we speak behind me. Interior finish is being worked on. So as we progress on this house, I'm going to come back in a few weeks and show you the final details. The kitchen is absolutely gorgeous in here. So wait until you see the color of the island even. So it's very beachy, but we're on the beach, so that's what it's supposed to be. So hey everyone, I'm Dave Cooper. This is a Modular Home Minute, and I am coming to you from Old Lyme, Connecticut. We'll see you next time.